Evaluate the integral by changing it to polar coordinates. Let's decide if we should change it or not. I don't want the problem to state it because it's kind of spoon feeding at that point. You should be able to choose. So let's choose. Your region D is the disk with the center at the origin and the radius of 4. When they say disk and they explain with radius and origin centered, it's basically a circle. So x, y, center is at the origin, radius of 4, and it's only where D is the disk with the center of the origin, so it's the entire circle. So it's 4, so it's negative 4, 4, 4, negative 4. So it's this entirety of the circle. It's tough. It's hard to draw a circle. That's decent. Okay, so this is our circle. Now, we want to convert to polar because it makes sense to convert to polar since we're trying to integrate over a circle, which is very easily defined in this or nicely defined as a circle. So the outer integral is going from theta equals something to theta equals something else. Theta equals 0 to theta equals 2 pi. The radius, we can the bounds for the radius, we immediately enter our region, so that's when r equals 0, and then we go till the end when r equals to 4. And then we have cosine. Now the square root of x squared plus y squared, I'll leave it for now, but this is not hard to convert, by the way. And then we just have r d theta. Square root of x squared plus y squared, remember that this is what we're trying to convert to in terms of r and theta. Remember that x squared plus y squared is r squared, and if we square root both sides, we end up getting the square root of x squared plus y squared is equal to r. So this is equal to r. Similarly, you could have just used this information that x squared plus y squared is r squared, and then square root is just r. So it's basically just cosine of r. That's what you end up with. And so this is your integral. These are the integrals that you have to evaluate. Now, I won't evaluate these integrals because this is an integration by parts problem, IBP. That's something that you can use to integrate. And again, this is the main purpose of this is not to teach integration, but it's to show you how to set it up. So use integration by parts, evaluate this integral, find the answer, and you're good. So that's basically how you can go about doing this, and that's basically it.